Are you on a tight budget, but still need a reliable car that won't let you down? This list covers the top 10 cars available for under $10,000 at current prices, helping you kick off 2025 on the right foot, whether it's for yourself or as a gift for your son or daughter. It focuses on models known for their durability, fuel efficiency, low maintenance costs, and ratings, perfect for students, commuters, or anyone looking for quality transportation without a high price tag. I used AutoTrader as a reference, a well-known and trustworthy site that features a buyer rating system. And no, this is not an ad. I am not getting paid to mention it. Watch until the end and leave your opinion in the comments. So buckle up and let's dive in. In the 10th position, we have the 2013 Mazda 3, a compact car that offers a blend of style, performance, and reliability for under $10,000. Available as a sedan or hatchback, it stands out for its sporty handling, making it a pleasure to drive on winding roads or city streets. The fuel economy is excellent, averaging around 30 mpg city and 41 mpg highway. The interior is well crafted, featuring quality materials and a driver-focused layout. However, the back seat can feel cramped and the suspension might be firmer than some prefer. Despite these points, the Mazda 3's combination of efficiency, agility, and durability makes it an excellent budget-friendly choice. Let's see what buyers think about this model. It boasts 468 reviews and a rating of 4.6 stars. In the 9th position, we have the 2012 Buick Regal, which combines style, comfort, and performance. With its sleek design and refined interior, it offers a touch of luxury without the high price tag. The available turbo engine provides dynamic performance, achieving an average of around 20 mpg city and 31 mpg highway, which is competitive for its class. The spacious cabin features quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. While the back seat may feel a bit cramped and some hybrid models might have higher maintenance costs, the Regal remains an excellent choice for those who appreciate a comfortable ride with an upscale feel. It has 162 reviews and a rating of 4.4 stars. In the 8th position, we have the 2012 to 2013 Ford Fusion. This midsize sedan stands out for offering reliability and comfort at an affordable price. Priced between $6,500 and $10,000. It features a spacious interior with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. Fuel efficiency is impressive, averaging 22 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, depending on the engine choice. The Fusion also comes equipped with various safety features, earning high marks in crash tests. Its design is clean and functional, although rear visibility can be limited. Overall, the Fusion is an excellent choice for families or commuters seeking a dependable vehicle without excessive costs. It has 561 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars. In the 7th position, we have the 2012 Subaru Legacy. For those seeking a reliable vehicle that can handle various weather conditions, it is an excellent option. Priced between $7,000 and $9,000, it comes with standard all-wheel drive, which provides better traction on slippery roads. Fuel economy is decent, averaging around 23 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. The interior is spacious and comfortable, making it suitable for long journeys or family trips. While it may not be the most stylish vehicle on the market, its reputation for durability and safety makes it a wise investment, especially for drivers living in areas prone to inclement weather. It has 289 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars. In the 6th position, we have the 2014 to 2015 Nissan Leaf. It represents an entry point into the world of electric vehicles, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious buyers. Priced between $7,000 and $9,000, the Leaf offers a range of approximately 84 miles on a full charge, making it ideal for city driving and short commutes. Its low running costs and zero emissions provide significant savings on fuel and maintenance. Inside, the Leaf is surprisingly spacious, with a comfortable cabin and modern tech features. However, potential buyers should consider its limited range and battery life concerns when planning longer trips. Overall, it's an excellent option for urban dwellers seeking sustainability. It has 107 reviews and a rating of 4.4 stars. Before we continue, I'd like to ask you to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive in. In 5th place, we have the renowned 2013 Honda Civic EX, which remains a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. Priced between $8,000 and $10,000, the Civic offers excellent fuel economy of around 28 mpg city and 39 mpg highway. Its well-designed interior includes comfortable seating and a user-friendly infotainment system. The Civic also boasts strong resale values and low maintenance costs, making it a smart financial choice. While some sportier trims may come at a premium, the standard models provide an engaging driving experience without sacrificing comfort. This model's balance of efficiency, reliability, and features makes it a strong contender. It has 400 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars. In fourth place, we have the 2012 Toyota Prius, which is a benchmark in hybrid technology, offering unmatched fuel efficiency that appeals to eco-minded drivers. Priced between $8,000 and $10,000, the Prius achieves an impressive 51 mpg city and 48 mpg highway. Its spacious interior comfortably seats 5, and the hatchback design allows for ample cargo space. While acceleration can feel sluggish, the trade-off in fuel savings is significant for those who primarily drive in the city. The Prius is known for its reliability and low maintenance costs, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers looking to save at the pump. It has 497 reviews and a rating of 4.7 stars. In third place, we have the 2013 Hyundai Sonata, a stylish mid-size sedan that offers a comfortable and well-equipped interior for under $10,000. With a price range of $7,500 to $9,500, it boasts fuel efficiency of 24 mpg city and 35 mpg highway. The Sonata's sleek design and quality materials give the vehicle a sophisticated feel, while its spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers and cargo. Safety features are also a strong point, contributing to its high safety ratings. Although some turbo models may incur higher maintenance costs, the Sonata's blend of comfort, reliability, and value makes it an appealing choice for both families and commuters. It has 887 reviews and a rating of 4.4 stars. In second place, we have the 2012 Toyota Camry, an icon in the mid-size sedan market, known for its reliability and comfort. Priced between $8,000 and $10,000, the Camry offers an impressive balance of fuel efficiency and performance, achieving around 25 mpg city and 35 mpg highway. Its spacious interior provides ample legroom and a smooth ride, making it suitable for long commutes or family trips. While the design is somewhat conservative, the Camry's solid construction and reputation for durability make it a top choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking long-term value. With low maintenance costs, it's an investment that pays off over time. It has 542 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars. And finally, we arrive at the top of our list, the 2012 Honda Accord, a mid-size sedan that epitomizes reliability and value in the used car market. Priced between $8,000 and $10,000, it offers fuel economy of approximately 23 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, making it efficient for daily driving. The Accord features a spacious interior with comfortable seating and a user-friendly infotainment system. Known for its robust performance and durability, this model consistently has high resale values and low maintenance costs. While it may lack some of the advanced tech features found in newer vehicles, its blend of quality, comfort, and reliability makes it the best option for budget-minded shoppers. It has 1,224 reviews and a rating of 4.3 stars. Choosing a car under $10,000 doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. From the durable Honda Accord to the eco-friendly Nissan Leaf, these vehicles provide great options for every kind of driver. Before buying, always check the vehicle's history, inspect its condition, and take a test drive to ensure you're making the best choice for your needs. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with this list? What would be your ideal list? Or what's the best used car you'd recommend under $10,000?